Hello everyone, welcome back to day 60 of the 90-day challenge. 60 days in and we are still rolling. But let's be honest, by now the initial excitement have faded and that's perfectly normal. So today I'm gonna talk about how to keep that fire burning and crush that rest of this challenge. We've all been there, right? Feeling drained, uninspired, and maybe ready to throw in the towel sometimes. Don't let those feelings stop you from your progress. The key to staying motivated is understanding why you started this in the first place. Go back and revisit your goal. What were you hoping to achieve by taking on this challenge? Write them down. Put them somewhere you see them every day and let that purpose reignite your spark. Next, focus on progress, not perfections. Celebrate those small wins along the way. Remember that every completed task, every milestone reached can be a victory that you can celebrate. And don't be afraid to adjust those goals. Sometimes life just throws curveballs, and that's okay. Reevaluate your goals, make adjustments, and keep them realistic and achievable. And last but not least, find your support system. Talk with friends, family, online communities that share your goals. Surround yourself with that positive reinforcement and encouragement. And don't forget to take care of yourself. Get enough sleep, eat well, prioritize activity that relieves stress, and that will boost your energy. Maintaining motivation is a journey, not a destination after all. There will be ups and downs, but by implementing some of these tips, you can keep that fire burning and you can achieve those incredible things. So let me know in your comments how you stay motivated. Share your tips and let's keep each other accountable and motivated as we head into this final stretch of the last 30 days of the challenge. See you tomorrow for day 61.